Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, let's continue working on previous map to add castle and village. First, let's create a new layer and name it castle. Next, create the framework of the castle. Create a new object. The type of the object is dungeon. Drag the object to change its position and size. Reduce the inner wall height and outer wall height to 2. Next, let's create some key points to add and modify the walls. Create a pillar object and drag it to preferred position. Use shortcut Ctrl-D to duplicate a new one and drag it to different position. Use shortcut Shift-B to open creating new object panel. Create a base. The type is 9 patch. Drag the base to the center of castle and adjust its size. Next, create a stair object with type horizontal stretch. Finally, we can create a throne now. The throne cannot be placed at center if it can only move tile by tile. Adjust the Shift-X value to apply a pixel shift. Now the throne is at center. Next, create a carpet with type 9 patch. Create a goddess sculpture and place it on carpet. Adjust this horizontal shift to make it centered. Next, let's create some small items to decorate. Create a new layer to hold all the new items. Start creating the bedroom. The chairs are above the table, which looks bad. Use Move to Bottom command, so table will be drawn after chairs. Place the 4th chair. Finished making the bedroom, now let's decorating other places. Let's create a fireplace. The type is vertical stretch. Set the bottom indent to 2. Mistakenly deleted the palette. Let's recreate a new one. Open the Modify Palette panel. First, set the whole image to fireplace. Next, only change the bottom tiles. Replace them with the firing one. Adjust fireplace's height and position. Let's continue with other items. Now castle layout is finished. Next, let's create a demon castle at mountain top. First, create a dungeon type object. Add walls and adjust the castle layout. Create a new pavement for the throne. Change its position and size. Now place a throne on top of it. Adjust the horizontal offset to make it center. Next, let's place some pillars. Use Ctrl-D to quickly duplicate more pillars. Create a new layer to hold new items. Now the Demon Castle's layout is finished. Next, let's draw a village. First, create a new layer and name it Village. Create a fence object, the type is 2-edge. Simply set the size of object canvas to whole map. Now let's draw fence manually. Next, let's create some pavement. Similarly, set the object canvas to whole map for convenience. Next, let's create a house. First, create a new layer. Create a new object with type cliff and select the house texture. Drag to change house's position and size. Add some key points to modify its shape. Create doors and windows and put them in right places. Now it is time to create a similar house. First, let's duplicate current layer. Change the right mouse action to drag layer and move it to new position. Change the shape of the house and increase the outer wall height to 3, then adjust of each object to form a new house. Repeat previous steps. Now create a different color house. Create a new layer to hold other village buildings. Notice that there are no path to the hill in village. Let's create some ramps. Ramp type is horizontal stretch. Drag the layer to apply offset to all its objects. So the door is at center of ramp. Duplicate ramp and place it to another place. Create a downhill ramp and place it at north of the hill. Next, let's create more items. Notice that the mailbox is placed at wrong layer. Use cut operation to move it to correct layer. Now there are two objects with same name. Change one of them. Duplicate more mailboxes and also create some street signs. Next, let's remove the pavement under the pink tree. Move the tree and adjust its horizontal offset to make it centered. Next, create an object group, which can help draw trees quickly. Add some trees into the object group. Select the small tree only. Forget to adjust object canvas size. Set it to whole map. Delete the tree at bad position. Change the noise range to 0, 1, so tree is guaranteed to be placed. Next, let's plant some big trees. Select the 2 big trees. When planting, they will be chosen based on their weight. Now the castles and village are all finished. Save the map. In next video, let's add more details to the map. Thanks for watching. Bye.